Hey guys, what's up in the world? This is RJC, aka Carlo Contreras. Just saying, every time you sneeze, out of nowhere, people talks about you every single time. And you sneeze and sneeze out of nowhere every time you sneeze, you're just going crazy. So people say, who's sneezing? Or they say, oh, someone's talking about me. So that's not true. No, you sneeze, you don't understand. You talk about you and you're sneezing. So it's the truth. It's a fact. And you sneeze one time or two times or three times, they talk about you and you sneeze. Like someone's talking about you out of nowhere, you sneeze out of nowhere, and your nose gets drowsy and stuff, and you don't know what's going on, or you may be sick. I don't know. The thing is, people say, and you talk about people around in the future, and they just sneeze out of nowhere. Yeah, someone's talking about you, really for sure. Okay, bye.